let's also take this so that we can pierce a hole. You can also use anything else like a skewer or a knife to cut here. And now let's start with our project. Let's also just take the plate. Yes. So now you can see, let's fill this empty bottle with some water. I'm done adding the water. Now let's add the food coloring and mix it so that you can see clearly. Now time to mix. Done. Now, let's pierce a hole here. As you can see, the water is coming out. This is because I punched a hole, and from here, the air pressure is there's lots of air pressure right now here, and it's forcing the water to come out from the hole. Now, let's see what happens when I close the cap. It stops. It is because now inside there is no air pressure, and now outside here, outside the bottle, is lots of air pressure. This air pressure closes the hole and it does not let any water come out. Thank you for watching. Bye.